Everyone, welcome to my channel. Over the past several months, I have, even though I've just started doing this, I've brought to you some really great units. And the overwhelming majority of what I have brought to you are things that I have really loved. Now, there have been wigs, I want one in every color. And then there are wigs that I really didn't care too much for. They were nice in some way, but it's like, I just don't think this is me. I'm always trying to grow and change and learn within this capacity of a YouTube channel. And one of the things I want to do is to really give you honest reviews. I noticed with the unit that I didn't care for, I was just kind of hesitant to really bash the unit, but I really need to, and that was not a bad unit, it's just I need to develop the honesty a little bit better. Something I don't like, I need to just tell you, look, don't like this. The reason I'm bringing all of this up is because I am going to review a unit on a wig from Zury Sis. And it's not that we're bashing Zury Sis. I'm sure they have some absolutely beautiful units. I'm hoping the one we look at today is going to be one of them. But my past experience with them hasn't always been the best. And so I haven't really purchased too many wigs from them. I remember when Zury Sis first came out, and there was this one particular wig. I was looking in my stash to see if I still had it. It was the rage. I mean, it was the rage. When it came out, sisters were just taking selfies and doing this and doing. And so I purchased the unit, and I just wasn't as blown away. And I think I've remembered that over the years. So this one that I'm reviewing today, we're just going to clear from the past experiences. And we are going to look at this. I tried to pick something in a style that I knew I would like. So I'm trying to be very fair. And I'm really hoping that Zury Sis is going to redeem themselves here with me. And I can explore more within their line. So, all that being said, today we are going to review the lace front honey wig in IJU. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Now let me show the other side of the stock card so you can see her. This is the style that I always fall for. Beautiful layers, soft curls, side part. There is nothing wrong about this. And if this doesn't do it for me, I don't know. Now I was a little dismayed because of the stock card. There really isn't much detail. It just says lace front wig, honey wig. I'm looking at the back. You get a washing and care guide here, which is nice. It looks like a good beginner friendly unit. So if you are a beginner, great tips on how to care for all of your synthetic wigs. But there's really nothing to it. It just says HD lace front wig and high heat. And that's not even spelled correctly. I mean, there's probably a reason for that. HIGHEAT. So was there a misspelling here? Are you telling me this is high heat? And if it takes high heat, to what degree can I take it to? None of that's there. I'm already getting a little irritated. But we're going to press on, and we're going to be fair. Okay, so I have her in Sombre RT Red Velvet. And here she is. Now, this is a hot color. And I've had a unit similar to this from Bobby Boss that had this kind of fire engine red color. We're going to see how it goes. Very pretty chunks of color. We're going to see. Okay, the baby hairs are absolutely beautiful. Look at those sweet curls. So maybe we can try to implement some of those. I hate to disturb those curls. Aren't those pretty? So we'll see what we can do, or we just will not do with them. The part I am not crazy about. If you're someone who wants to take that a little bit wider, you most definitely can. Cap construction. Got our combs here. Your combs, your adjustable bands. And we always love a good ventilated unit. Nice good stretch here. So let me cut this lace, tint this lace. And I'm kind of dying to see what it looks like on. Alright guys, so final thoughts, good news and bad news. Let's start with the good news first. This is a style that I would wear. I really love the really pretty curls at the end. I like the nice layers, although there's that one piece of hair that's driving me absolutely nuts. So we sprayed him down, but once he got tamed, it was very nice. The cap feels good on my head to the point where it is glueless. I don't have to do any adhering at all. That's always a big plus. The color was something I didn't think I would like, but to me it's still kind of young, but it's not a bad color. It makes a statement. For me, the color is right on the borderline between being acceptable and being kind of cosplay, you know, being like a costume wig. I don't know, there's just something about this combination of colors that's kind of bordering on the costumey to me. I could wear this. I would wear this, but it's really taking it to the limit with me. The not so good thing is that no matter what I do to this wig, it's never going to look natural. Part is just driving me nuts. And what I can't stand about it, I don't know if I can come in close enough to see, but there's just seemingly no way I can, this little area right here, I just can't get a clean break so that it, you know, my scalp and this part just kind of join and melt together to give it the illusion. I just can't get a clean break on this doggone thing. And I think a lot of it has to do with the construction. I'll lift it up. there's just nothing there in terms of, you know, the lace and plucking. Forget that. I mean, this reminds me of the old wigs that my mother used to wear. You just have that moon configuration there, so that you're not seeing lovely specks and pieces of skin coming through to make it look more natural. Not with this wig. You're just not going to get that. It is just not here. No matter what kind of work I do on this guy, it's just always going to look kind of costumey. And I don't know if I would wear this. And it saddens me because on the surface it's a really pretty unit, but I just don't like the cap construction on this, guys. Part just... So I'm not gonna thoroughly recommend this one. I'm very, very sorry. So what I may end up doing with this is putting it in my eBay store, and I'll put the link to that in the description box, and we'll discount it, of course, because I cut it, I broke into it. We'll clean it and freshen it up, because I did put some of the lace tint mousse on the edges here. And if this is something you think you would like, I'll have it in my eBay store. And I'll also have it on my Macari store if you think you'd like to purchase it. And also check out some of my other units too. I have some really lovely units there. They're just no longer for me, but maybe you can give them a lovely home. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Really appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, you know, we have so much to be thankful for. And guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time.